Hello and welcome back to 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm Barb Miller-Webb with Master Graphics. This segment is going to be a continuation of the 3D Systems Figure 4 digital light processing technology that we talked about last time and some of the various material options that you have with that technology. Just as a quick overview, this, as you recall, is the technology itself. Again, we talked about the standalone unit all the way up to the modular, adding multiple units to the production-based technology. So I want to just dive into a couple of things. Number one, let's talk a little bit about the next part. We had discussed some parts before and the extreme speed and cost that you get with these type of parts on this technology. This happens to be an electrical connector. This particular unit is 3 different parts. You've got the lighter top, light gray, you've got the rubber light gasket, and then you've also got the dark gray. So I just want to talk about speed on this particular part. Number one, the top part took about 26 minutes to actually build. Excuse me, the gray part took 26 minutes to actually build, and it was a cost of about $1.20. The top part actually took about 6 minutes and 30 seconds to build, and that particular cost on that unit was $1. Then we have the gasket itself, the rubber-like material. That one was 1 minute 45 seconds at a cost of 54 cents. So total for that particular component took less time than you can certainly print on many other technologies. I also want to talk about another material that 3D Systems has just come out with. It's called the 65C tough black material for this technology. Something that I'd like to talk about is 3D Systems has really been doing a lot of testing on some of these Figure 4 materials, more so for long-term UV stability. As you know, in this technology today, it's all about, can I leave some of these parts out in the elements or will they degrade? So I just want to show you guys a little bit about kind of a chart, if you will. So bear with me and let's get to that of what the testing came out on that particular 65C tough material. So as you can see, the 65C, it is engineered to give a long-term environmental humidity stability. This means that the material is tested to kind of retain a high percentage of that mechanical properties that it was given at one time. So I just want you to see the indoor stability test here. Again, this was an ASTM testing standard method. Take a look at this, that tough 65C black material, 5-year and up to an 8-year. Look at that in terms of whether or not it accelerated indoor aging. It didn't. It stayed consistent. Same thing when you take a look at the outdoor, right? Accelerated aging time. Again, it's staying consistent throughout. So something that I find is very fascinating with this one happens to be the 12-month exposure versus the 18th-month exposure outside. Again, terrific properties that have continued to maintain stability. So that's the end of this segment today. And next time, we will talk a little more about some other materials available in the Figure 4. Thanks and have a good day and see you next time.